Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off show lockdown button option in Samsung Galaxy S22. So first of all, we have to look how our menu looks right now, our power menu. So as you can see, we have our lockdown mode right here. We can turn it off, this option, by going to settings, lock screen, lock secure options here, and at the bottom we have show lockdown option. We can hide this key from our power button menu in this little. Now we have our classic power restart emergency call. We have no more lockdown button setup. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.